How did the concept of a constitution evolve? Well, ever since there was any significant form of organized society, that is, ever since people started to live together in organized groups, there would have been some form of constitution, even if it was very rudimentary and unwritten. It might have been as simple as how is the leader of the group going to be chosen. In the ancient Hindu scriptures, such as the Vedas, the Upanishads, or the Dharmashastras, or even if you look at epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata, there is talk of Dharmatantra, Prajatantra, Rajatantra, which were the rules, the guidelines, or the best practices on how the government, the justice systems, and the society as a whole should function. Emperor Ashoka's edicts are also considered as milestones in the evolution of the constitution because they documented Ashoka's moral and religious beliefs and his social welfare programs. The edicts were based on Ashoka's ideas on administration and the behavior of the people in the society. So the edicts were a form of constitution that he wanted his kingdom to follow. During the Mughal period, the Farman-e-Shahi, that is, the proclamations of the emperor, acted as a constitution for the Mughal Empire. During the British Raj, there were quite a few acts that were passed. Initially, they intended to collect taxes and to control agriculture and trade in India. Later on, when the East India Company transitioned into the British Empire, there were some administrative acts that were passed, such as the Indian Council Act or the Government of India Acts. And finally, after independence, the Constitution of India, as it exists today, came into being. So this is an overview of how the Constitution evolved from prehistoric times to the modern era.